Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Breathtaking Reviews. Today we'll be doing this, I believe it's called Xiaomi's or SCISHARE's water dispenser. Apologies if I didn't say that correctly. So this is what it looks like in the image. Sorry, I can't really see the top because my camera can't go that far, but I will quickly open it so you guys can see what's inside. So this is what it looks like on the side. It has another thing on the top. It's all Chinese. If you can read Chinese, then yep, this is a Chinese product. I'm gonna open it from the top. So inside the box we have the white, let me put this down actually. Yeah, this is what it looks like inside the box. First, gotta start by taking this thing out. That's what it looks like. Then I can start by dragging this thing out, which I have zero clue how to do. Oh, and I broke it. Okay. Oh, there's something stuck. Okay. Okay, that box is gone. So this is the packaging. We can start by getting this cord thing out, I think. I'll start by opening this thing first. Okay, that's one side done. There's a menu thing here. Let me move that away. And then there's one more. Let's see if I can open this thing. And I opened it. So this is the Xiaomi thing. So this is what it looks like. It's all Chinese on the top. Got the buttons here. It says 45, 75, and I believe there's a heating or something. That's water release, that's lock. This is the other thing that we saw before. Let me just open this thing up. I think you put it right here, like over here. And there we go, it's open. Open it like this. Make sure there's no dust in here. And then you simply just put it back in. Then just clip it on here. There. Nice.